Yo, the name is Godside once again, and still the solution camera, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in FL Studio and I'm gonna show you how you can actually turn that your cheap microphone to any expensive model microphone that you want. Alright, so the very first thing I'm gonna do is to let you listen to this particular voice. Alright, so let's listen to this. Let me push the volume all the way up.
Getting nice thing, baby, my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. After something, don't do long thing, yeah. She falling for me, she say love Mr. Batman. She says she no like no drama. Me I got to treat her papa, make her take and go show mom papa. All they can get is falling man.
Alright guys, so this is raw, nothing is on the vocals. I have not even sent it to the mixer track. So the very first thing I'm gonna do is to send the vocals to mixer track 2, and I'm gonna send the beat to mixer track 1. Alright, now let's go to mixer track 2, solo it.
See, gotta get a nice thing, baby, my liking. She got.
Alright, so first thing first, let's add auto-tune to the vocals. I have a lot of videos showing you step by step how to get a perfect auto-tune. Alright guys, so let's add this auto-tune. This is my settings. Listen.
See, gotta get a nice thing, baby, my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. After something, don't do long thing, yeah. She falling for me, she say love Mr. Batman. She says she no like no drama. Me I got to treat her papa, make her.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do next is to add a little bit reverb. Alright, then after that I will show you how you can actually change your cheap microphone to any expensive microphone. Let's add simple reverb, fruity reverb 2. Okay, increase the room size. Let me solo the vocals alone.
See, gotta get a nice thing, baby, my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. After something, don't do long thing, yeah. She falling for me, she say love Mr. Batman. She says she no like no drama. Me I got to treat her papa, make her take and go show mom papa. All they can do this spoiling man. She stick to me, she no need no one. All they guys did this spoiling man, but she say she love me, yeah. All the guys did this spoiling man. She stick to me, she no need no one. See, gotta get a nice thing, baby, my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. After something, don't do long thing, yeah. She falling for me, she say love Mr. Batman. She says she no like no drama. Me I got to treat her papa, make her take and go show mom papa. All they can do this spoiling man. Stick to me, she no need no one.
Next thing I'm gonna do is to EQ it. Fruity parametric EQ.
See, gotta get a nice thing, baby, my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. After something, don't do long thing, yeah. She falling for me, she say love Mr. Batman. She says she no like no drama. Me I got to treat her papa, make her take and go show mom papa. All they can do this spoiling man. She stick to me, she no need no one. All they can do this spoiling man, but she say she love me. All they guys did this spoiling man. Stick to me, she no need no one. All they guys did this spoiling man, but.
Alright guys, so now how can you actually change this cheap microphone to expensive microphone? All you have to do is to get mic mode from Antares. Alright, this will help you to turn any cheap microphone to expensive microphone. So I'm going to show you how you can actually use this. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. To source mic, this is where you have to choose the exact microphone that you are using. Alright, so if you watch here and your microphone is inside, just choose from this particular section. All right, but for the sake of this video, my microphone is not here. All right, so I'm just gonna bypass this. Then this is where you want to model the microphone from cheap microphone to what type of microphone that you want as an expensive microphone. So over here you can choose any microphone that you want. All right, so let's check some of the Rode NTV. All right, now let's listen to that on the vocals. I'm gonna bypass it as we listen.
See, gotta get it nice thing, baby my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking.
You hear the difference? Let's bypass this one.
See, gotta get it nice thing, baby my liking.
Without the mic mode. All right, listen.
See, gotta get it nice thing, baby my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking.
And with the mic mode, listen again.
See, gotta get it nice thing, baby my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. Up to something, don't do long thing, yeah.
All right, let's choose another expensive microphone. The Sanchez. All right, let's choose this one. And now listen.
See, gotta get it nice thing, baby my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. Up to something, don't do long thing, yeah.
Let's change it to Sony.
For me, she say love Mr. Badman. She says she no like no drama. Me I got to treat her papa, make her take and go show mom and papa. Or they can do this spoiling man.
Let's choose Behringer. All right, now listen.
See, gotta get it nice thing, baby my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking.
All right, so without the mic mode.
See, gotta get it nice thing, baby my liking.
And with the mic mode from Behringer. All right, so this is our cheap microphone. This our cheap microphone that we use to record these vocals had been changed to what? Behringer SM8500. All right.
See, gotta get it nice thing, baby my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking.
With the proximity here, let's exaggerate things and listen. Listen as I push it all the way up.
See, gotta get it nice thing, baby my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. Up to something, don't.
You hear the difference? Let's push it all the way back.
See, gotta get it nice thing, baby my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. Up to something, don't do long thing, yeah.
And you can also play with the tube saturation. Let's exaggerate things.
See, gotta get it nice thing, baby my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. Up to something, don't do long thing, yeah. She falling for me, she say love Mr. Badman. She says she no like no drama. Me I got to treat her papa, make her take and go show mom and papa. Or they can do this spoiling man. She stick to me, she no need no one. Or they can do this spoiling man, but she says she love me, yeah.
You can actually tell how crispy now our vocals is sounding. All right, without the mic mode. Once again, let's listen.
See, gotta get it nice thing, baby my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. Up to some.
And with the mic mode, let's listen.
See, gotta get it nice thing, baby my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. Up to something, don't do long thing, yeah. She falling for me, she say love Mr. Badman. She says she no like no drama. Me I got to treat her papa, make her take and go show mom and papa. Or they can do this spoiling man. She stick to me, she no need no one. Or they can do this spoiling man, but she say she love me, yeah. Or they can do this spoiling man. She stick to me, she no need no one. Or they can do this spoiling man, but she say she love me, yeah. Oh my God, this can't see what she do me. Oh my girl, come please me. This can't restrict me. Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me. Yeah, she take it things where they beat me. Girlie give me love when I no need. Girlie give you more than is ever. The girl they just spoiling man, but she careless. Say she loving me, she no need no one.
Alright, so now guys, this is crazy. Great plugin from Antares and Antares. Alright, so now let's add the beat and listen together with the mic mode. What I'm gonna do is to add delay to it, fruity delay to, and I'm gonna change the time to second step. Then I'm gonna reduce the volume for the feedback, then also reduce the volume for this one.
See, gotta get a nice thing, baby my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. Up to something, don't do long thing, yeah. She falling for me, she say love Mr. Badman.
I don't know whether you can hear the delay. Use good headsets and monitors to listen. Let me increase the volume all the way up so that you can hear the delay.
See, gotta get a nice thing.
Alright, now you can hear.
See, gotta get a nice thing, baby my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. Up to something, don't do long thing, yeah. She falling for me.
And I'm gonna pan the delay all the way to this side.
See, gotta get a nice thing, baby my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking.
Alright, now let's add the beat, and guys, you can now hear the effect. We have turned this cheap microphone to Behringer SM8500.
See, gotta get a nice thing, baby my liking. She getting yours ready, matching my looking. Up to something, don't do long thing, yeah. She falling for me, she say love Mr. Badman. She says she no like no drama. Me I got to treat her papa. Make her take and go show mom papa. Oh, they can do this poly man. She stick to me, she no need no one. Oh, they can do this poly man, but she say she love me. Oh, they can do this poly man. She stick to me, she no need no one. Oh, they can do this poly man, but she say she love me. Oh my God, this can't see what she.
Alright guys, this is how you can actually turn your cheap microphone to any expensive microphone, regardless of the money or regardless of the mic. It's super simple. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. If you are new here, let me know where you are watching this video from, whether United States of America, United Kingdom, Asia, China, Canada, Africa, any part of the world. I will be happy to hear from you where this video have reached so far. Alright, let's do more music. The name is God's Side. Share the video. Until then, stay blessed.